When installing woven carpet, the seams must be trimmed on the row. Use a row runner to separate the carpet pile, then use a cushion back or loop pile cutter to trim the seam. Immediately after trimming, apply a bead of new broadlock edge sealer to the cut edge of the carpet. Then, press the latex into the base of the pile with your thumb. Be careful not to rub the edges, which could distort the face yarns. Allow the edge sealer to dry completely before continuing. The edge sealer will appear white when wet and brown once dry. Repeat these steps for the adjoining piece of carpet to be seamed. Put the two edges together and make sure the loops and rows are lined up. Tightly butt the seam together and roll slightly with a seam tractor with paddle or flat wheels. Do not use excessive pressure. If carpet is being stretched in, then you will need to use the hot melt seaming method following the same process.